Hi, I'm Deidre with Caring Transitions of West Fairfax. We provide seniors and families in our Northern Virginia community downsizing services with compassion, patience, and less stress. If you're packing up your parents' clothes to move into assisted living, you may be wondering what to take with you. Here are 3 things to keep in mind. First of all, go for comfort. If things are hard to get into or they have lots of buttons and snaps, they're going to be less useful as time goes on. Second, think in layers. Having pieces that can be easily taken on or off can help when your parents are in different parts of the facility. Their room may be hot, dining facility might be cooler. Layers matter. Third, you might want to keep some of their favorites, a suit, even if they're not going to wear it again, a sparkly dress that they loved. It can ease that sense of leaving things behind. And overall, remember, you don't have to do this alone.